If you love sweet, spicy, and cheesy, well, today, let me show you guys how to make the most delicious hot honey crunch wrap. Before I begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's jump right in. I have 2 chicken breasts here. As you can see, it is skinless and boneless. We're going to dice it into bite-sized pieces. Now just going to cut it just like this, small pieces like this. Now we're going to pat it dry just like this. That way that seasoning can really stick on the chicken. Then we're going to drizzle some olive oil and mix it up together. Now we're going to season the chicken. I'm using taco seasoning. You can use only taco seasoning if you like, but I'm using some of it. And also I gotta use my Island Vibe seasoning. So for the seasoning, I have a little bit of the Island Vibe everything seasoning, paprika, chili powder, and some Italian seasoning, okay? I'm going to mix it up together just like this. And someone asked me, why do I season the chicken on the cutting board? I mean, I don't want to make dirty dishes. Instead of picking it up, putting it in a bowl, season it, I might as well just season it on here. But it's pretty much done, as you guys can see, nicely seasoned. Let's go pan-sear it. All right, now I'm going to pan-sear the chicken. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my skillet. By the way, this skillet is from Dean. I'll link it below for you guys. And it's currently on medium-high heat. We're going to pan-sear it until it's nice and golden brown. It is smelling amazing. Looks good. Let's flip it over. Oh, look at that sear on the chicken. When I tell you this pot is skillet, it's so good. Look at the color on the chicken, y'all. It looks really good. It's not burnt, perfectly golden brown color. Just gonna let it go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, smelling so good already. All right, guys, now I like to mix it all together just to make sure all the sides are nice and cooked and touching the skillet. I let it go for another minute and then we take it out. All right, we're going to set that aside for now. Okay, looks real good. Now we're going to make our crunch wrap. Okay, a little bit of oil, very lightly, so we can toast the tortilla. So I have a little bit of oil in here, not too much. Now I'm going in with my tortilla. Okay, very large tortilla for this recipe. Now you're going in with some pepper jack cheese. Lots of cheese, okay? You want this to be nice and cheesy. Spread it out. Just like this. Next, I'm going to add the chicken right on top. It's gonna start melting. Just give it a sec. Spread it out. Smells so good, I'm telling you. The seasoning combo is everything. Just like this, okay? Next, guess what you're going to do? Next, you're going in with some hot honey sauce. You can make it homemade if you want, but drizzle that hot honey all over. That looks so good. Go ahead, add some ranch dressing. Looks so good. Next, I have some tomatoes going in. Flavorful, delicious crunch wrap. Some onions. You know what it is. It's gonna be so good. And now you go ahead and add some lettuce. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! It is loaded, y'all. Looks real good. I'm gonna go like this. I think that's the easiest way to do it. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to flip it over. I mean, there is a better way to do this. I could have just folded it like a taco, but there you go. We did it. Let the other side get nice and golden, and then we'll take it out and cut through it. Oh, it's crispy good. That's what we're looking for. We want that crunch, okay? All right, guys, our crunch wrap is nice and toasty. We're going to remove it. We're going to remove it and set it aside. It's looking really good. All right, guys, I found a way to do it. That way you don't have to struggle. So just do it like you're making a taco. As you can see, it'll be easier to just pick it up and put it on a cutting board and just cut it. So let's remove it. Easy peasy to remove it. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Cheesy, delicious. All right, y'all. Let's cut through this crunch wrap. It's crunchy. Okay. Looks so good. One more time. That is perfect. Oh, wow. That is perfect, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely, absolutely delish. All right, let's eat. All right, guys, it is time for me to try this crunch wrap. Let me cut it. It looks so good, y'all. Oh, my mouth is watering. This is loaded, okay? As y'all can see, looking so good. Do y'all see how good, how saucy, how juicy this is? Let's try it, y'all. It's literally dripping. Okay, let's try it. Wow. Amazing. Wow. It's so good. When I tell you this turned out so good, so amazingly delicious. It got a little bit of kick from the hot honey. Saucy, juicy, flavorful. Y'all gotta try it. Y'all gotta try it. This is a good recipe right there. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Try it out. Let me know how you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe out. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if this video was helpful. If you're going to try it, if you think it was a good recipe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned for another delicious recipe. Bye, guys.